The human body, made up of many organs, works in a tremendous way. Here are 10 interesting facts that will help you get to know your body better. 1. Tongue, the organ that gives flavor. If you dry out your tongue completely, you will not be able to taste anything you eat or drink because our tongue gets the taste of the delicious food we eat through saliva. There are small bumps on the tongue called papillae. Inside those bumps are taste buds. The taste of food reaches those buds through saliva. You then understand the taste of what you eat by the signals that reach the brain. Each person has thousands of taste buds on their tongue. They diminish as we get older. 2. Nose, a biological filter. Our nose can detect thousands of different odors. Our nose works together with our tongue and allows us to taste better. This small protuberance has many other features. Without it, we would be much more vulnerable to disease. Our nose moisturizes cold and hot air. This is important for the lungs and throat. The nose also acts as a filter. Oxygen, nitrogen, dust, smoke, bacteria, viruses, and small insects can all enter the air through our noses. However, the nose helps to clean the air of harmful substances. 3. Hair. Both beautiful and strong people always wonder about things like the shape, color, and length of their hair. But human hair is also very strong. Human hair is so strong that even a single strand can easily carry 100 grams. On average, there are 100,000 hairs on a human head. All of the hair has the strength to lift 10 tons of weight. 4. Leather. An interesting organ. Do you think your house gets dusty for no reason? Most of the dust in your house is actually pieces of skin shed from you. 30 to 40,000 skin cells are shed every day. A person sheds 39 kilograms of skin cells in his/her lifetime. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. In its entirety, it covers about 20 square meters. The thinnest piece of skin is found on the eyelids and the thickest on the feet. 5. Heart, the engine of the body. A human heart beats about 100,000 times a day. In an average human lifetime, this is about 3 billion. The heart pumps blood so powerfully that it can shoot for meters through an artery. 6. Stomach, the chemistry of digestion. Hydrochloric acid is one of the most powerful chemicals. This acid is also found in our stomach and is produced regularly. The inner lining of the stomach, called mucus, acts as a protector. However, the stomach has to completely renew itself every 2 weeks. Otherwise, the acid can damage the stomach. Hydrochloric acid is an important substance for digestion. 7. Fingers, bones without muscle. It may be hard to believe, but each of your fingers has only one muscle. It's the arrector pili. Its main function is to straighten the hairs on the fingers. So how do the fingers move then? Thanks to the tendons and muscles in the hand. Tendons are fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones. The tendons allow the fingers to bend with the movements of the muscles in the forearm and palm. 8. Brain, a unique organ. The human brain makes up only 2% of body weight, yet it consumes 20% of the energy of the entire body. The brain generates between 11 and 23 watts of electricity. This is enough to light a light bulb. There are billions of neurons in the brain. Neurons communicate with electrical signals. 9. Small intestine, the longest organ. Although the stomach comes to mind first when we think of digestion, most digestion actually takes place in the small intestine. After the food is broken down into smaller pieces in the stomach, all the useful substances are absorbed in the small intestine. Then, in the large intestine, all the remaining water is absorbed and excreted as feces. 10. Bones, our building stone. The human skeleton consists of 206 bones in total. Half of these are in our hands and feet. The thigh bone is the thickest and longest. The pelvis is the heaviest. The hardest and most durable structure of the body is the teeth, but a tooth is not a bone.